What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Kentucky Vlogs. On today's video, we're rebuilding a 2000 Buick LeSabre Limited. It's a blue car. It's been on the channel in the last few videos. We've gotten it back from the mechanic. Just a quick recap, got it back from the mechanic. We got to rebuild some of the front. We got the front bumper cover and everything that we're going to take for it and get that thing redone. So I'm going to show you a real quick look at it, and then we're going to get to the house, and then we're going to start rebuilding it on today's video. So stay tuned and let's get this thing rebuilt. This is a quick look if you haven't seen this car yet, but you can go check out the other videos if you want to know what we had to fix and what we paid for it and all that stuff. So that's the front end damage right there. It was a high hit on it. Not a bad looking car. Pretty nice interior, like an older person had it. So let's get it to the house and we're gonna get working on this thing. I forgot about the bumper cover, so this will have to work. Stuck right in there with a strap. Get to the house however we have to. Alright, so it is making a noise. It's kind of weird sound, and I'm hoping that it's something dragging on the ground. I'm not too sure yet. So when we get this stuff replaced on it, hopefully it was something we replaced that's dragging on the ground. So, and then we'll just have to find out after we change everything out if it's still making a weird noise or not. But hopefully everything is good on this thing after we change it out. But if not, we'll have to go from there. So we'll have to see what happens after we change this stuff out. We just got onto the back road, cutting through to our house. So we'll be at the house in a minute. We'll pick back up and we're going to get this thing changed out and see how she looks when everything's changed on it and not damaged up no more. Alright, so first thing we're going to get this hood changed out, and then we're going to pull the bumper cover off so we can get the hood latch on. And then there's our new hood that we're going to switch out with this one because this one is bent. See right there, you got it bent. So we're going to get this one switched out. It's going to be these two right there, and then undoing this clip right there, and then you got to fight this out a little bit. So let's get that done. Alright, I believe we got the hood now. Got to hook this back up into the little light. So the clip goes on the side. And there's that. Now on to taking the bumper cover off. So as you just seen, it started raining on us, so we had to get all the tools and stuff put up so they didn't get too wet out there. And we got the hood changed out, and we was doing really good getting it done and having pretty good speed on getting it done, but now it's starting to rain on us. So we're just gonna have to go ahead and quit for the night, and we'll start back on it tomorrow morning. It's already 8 o'clock, so it's about time to quit anyways, and we'll knock this out tomorrow and we'll be back to get this thing done. We're back here the next day. I want to show you what I got done so far on this Buick that we've been working on rebuilding. I'm going to turn the camera around and let you see what I've gotten done. The hood latch is on now. So right there. Hood's on. The headlight piece is on. This big hood latch assembly is on. We just got to get it connected at the bottom with some kind of nut and washer because it goes up in there like that and it's missing the piece. And then you've got another piece that will go across here and hook up to there, and then the bumper cover will go straight onto that. So we got a lot farther. Shuts like it's supposed to. And latches. So we pretty much just need that bumper cover now, and then after the bumper cover, put in the headlights, and we'll pretty much be done unless we find any more surprises. But today's Sunday, so we have to wait for tomorrow for the junkyard to open back up, and I'm gonna run out there in the morning. Hopefully I can get back to this car that I took the hood off of yesterday, because it's the same color match. I wasn't sure if it was exactly the same color, so I didn't take the bumper yet, but I wish I would have now, because that color matched right up with the car, and you can't even tell it's not the hood from the vehicle. So I wish I would have grabbed that bumper cover, but hopefully I can get there in the morning without them being open very long before I get there, and I can go ahead and snatch that bumper cover before somebody else does, because I took it apart yesterday, and I've got the bumper cover halfway off of the vehicle, and then I kind of just laid it down onto the gravel with it still half on. So hopefully somebody don't come up through there trying to cut through the vehicles and break that bumper cover from stepping on it or something like that. But hopefully we can get there. The bumper cover is good. We can get this bumper cover, and then this car will be completely done. As long as we don't find any more surprises, this car is done after that. So we're going to pick that up, and that's where we're going to pick back up tomorrow. So it rained a little more this morning, and that's what that one clip was after we said that we was done for the night. It rained most of today, and then we got a little break, so we came back and got some more stuff done, and now we got as far as we can without getting the bumper cover on there. So we're going to pick back up tomorrow at the junkyard, and it'll be just a couple seconds for you. So here we go. Let's go to the junkyard. Hey everybody, welcome back to Kentucky Vlogs. This right here is the car we need the bumper off of. Still right there, good. Took it halfway off yesterday, but it looks like it's still good. Pop that thing off and get the hell out of here. That's the rest of the car. Missing a bunch of parts off of it, so we're getting this thing and getting back out of here, and then our car should be good. We already got the headlights and everything else. All right, we got the bumper pulled off of it. It is right there. So we're getting this bumper, and we're going to carry it out, and then we'll pick back up at the Durango. Hey, welcome back to Kentucky Vlogs. We're here at the junkyard. As you can see, we're grabbing this bumper for the vehicle and then headed to the house to put this thing on and get this car ready to go. So here you go. Here's the pulling the bumper. We got the bumper loaded up, and we're headed back to put it on. We got about an hour and a half drive back to where we live at. We had to come to this junkyard, but I like another one a lot better than this one, but because it's a little closer, and I like it better how their yard is done, and they're a little bit cheaper at the other one. But this one is the only one that had a color matched bumper that was the exact same color. So we got the same color one, so we won't have to paint it now. It does have some pretty good scratches on it, but I mean, to not be the wrong color and then have to paint it myself, it's better to have a couple scratches than have to mess with painting another one. I'd rather just put it on and be done and not have to paint it. So I went ahead and went that route. The bumper was $54 after taxes at the junkyard that I had to go to. If I was able to go to the other one, it would probably been around 30 or 40 instead of 54. So that sucks a little bit, but we do have it now, so we're gonna go get that put on and see what we got. And we're gonna test drive after we get it put on to see if we got any problems. So I'll pick back up when I'm putting it on.